I'm going to do a quick walk around here of the cover so that you can see how well that it fits. As you can tell, the satin material or the soft tech here really shapes the car well. You can see the wing here. And if you take a look down here, it's a little hard to see, but you can essentially see my tailpipe is exposed. So we'll kind of, here's the front end. It covers the very front lip really nicely. You will see, again, here's the very front. It covers the wheels nicely. Walking around, there are the mirrors. So overall, the Softtech does a very nice job of essentially hugging this car. Now earlier I had talked to you guys about the tail exposed. One of the things with this specific cover on the car, it is designed for a stock GT4. You guys know that I have a riser, and what that does is it lifts this wing up even higher. If this was a regular GT4, that would be completely covered. So do not hold that against the manufacturer. It is specifically designed for a stock GT4 and not one that has risers. So overall, very nice car cover. It's soft to the touch, and it does a good job of protecting the car indoors.